What's up guys, we're back here with another video, and today we're showing you how much money we made in 1 week just off one vending machine in this insane location. As you can see, valid location, and I'm telling you, I always make big money off this location. So guys, let's see how much money we made. I'm excited. Oh my god, no way guys, no way. Were those $100 bills? Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I think I'm gonna hit the jackpot. This is the best location ever. Oh my god, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $700, guys. 700 in one location. One location right there. One location. And you're telling me vending machine business does not work? Get the hell out of here. Yo, you know what? Get the hell out of here. Yo, you know what? Yo, get the hell out of here, boy. Do not tell me that again. Look at that. One vending machine location right there. Just got us all of this money. Just 1 week. And one of them. I have 8 other vending machines in 8 other locations. And one of them is even better than that one. Even better location. Location's right over there. But that's for another video. Wow, this is crazy, guys. Make sure to drop a like and comment for more vending machine videos, because this is crazy, honestly. Like, this profit is insane. Imagine if we keep doing this, bro. We're gonna go to the richest things. We're gonna go to